Electrical devices are found all across the world in very different working environments and even in the home. The device that is appropriate for a clean environment will be ineffective in a dirtier environment. Electrical and electronic equipments break down when water or dust enters the device. Then, increased protection, that is IP rating, was developed, which evaluates the resistance of an enclosure against the intrusion of dust and liquid. These ratings are widely used throughout the industries. What is IP rating? It is used to define levels of sealing effectiveness of electrical enclosures against intrusion from foreign bodies like dirt, tools, etc., and moisture. The IP specification defines the level of protection an electrical enclosure provides against the incursion of solids and liquids. The IP rating system and related testing trials are defined by the International Electrotechnical Commission in the standard IEC 60529. The IP code consists of the letters IP followed by two digits, such as IP68, and each has different protection and level. The first digit range from 0 to 6 refers to the protection against the solid objects based on the size of the objects. The higher the number, the better the protection. For example, if the first digit is 6, then it indicates a dust tight enclosure, while if the first digit is 3, it indicates the protection against the solids greater than 2.5 mm. The second digit in the IP rating ranges from 0 to 9, indicating the protection against the incursion of liquids. The two primary criteria for determining the protection against the liquids are the quantity of the liquid and the direction of its approach towards the enclosure. As the number increases, protection from the liquid incursion increases. IP rating chart. A number replaced by X indicates that the enclosure is not rated for that spec. The first digit is a solid, which indicates the level of protection that the enclosure provides against access to the hazardous part, that is, the electrical conductor, moving parts, etc., and the incursion of solid foreign bodies. The first digit is for the solid and it ranges from 0 to 6. 0 means non protection. 1 indicates protected against solid foreign objects of 500 mm in diameter and greater. 2. It represents protection against solid foreign objects of 12.5 mm in diameter and greater. 3 represents protection against solid foreign objects of 2.5 mm in diameter and greater. 4 represents protection against solid foreign objects of 1 mm in diameter and greater. 5. Dust protected, and 6 represents complete protection against the entry of dust. Second digit is the liquid, which is ranging from 0 to 9. It is a protection of devices inside the enclosure against harmful ingression of water. Here, 0 represents the non-protected. 1 represents protection against drops of water falling vertically. 2 represents protection against drops of water falling vertically when the object is tilted up to 15 degrees from its normal position in any direction. 3 represents protection against the spraying water up to 60 degrees from vertical. And 4 represents protection against water splashes from all directions. 5 represents protection against low pressure jets of directed water from any angle. 6 represents protection against direct high pressure jets. 7 represents protection against temporary immersion up to 30 minutes at depths between 15 cm and 1 meter. 8 represents protection against continuous submersion under high pressure. And 9, its protection against high pressure and temperature water jets. Thank you for watching the video. For more details, please visit our website or mailed to us.